Hi, I'm Dermot O'Connor, founder of the Healing Code Clinic and author of the Fertility Code. Acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine are probably the most popular methods of improving fertility naturally. These methods are popular mainly because they've been proven to be very, very effective, and numerous scientific studies have now confirmed this. For anyone considering this form of therapy, a natural question to have is, how can this work? How can taking herbs, changing your diet, and sticking tiny needles into your body help you to get pregnant? How can it work? Well, there are really two ways to answer this question. Firstly, from an Eastern perspective, the attitude to fertility is really quite simple. If you are a gardener and you want to grow healthy flowers, you'd really want to make sure to tend the soil, feed it and water it regularly. Clean, nutrient-rich soil is more likely to produce a beautiful blossom-filled garden. Right? Well, this same principle applies to successfully producing a baby. For example, in Chinese medicine, they say that the best time to treat a person is the year before they are born. In other words, you treat the parents before the baby is even conceived. You see, ancient Chinese medics really understood genetics and understood that healthy parents are far more likely to successfully conceive and produce healthy babies. So the key to fertility from an Eastern perspective is to make both parents as healthy as possible. Therefore, at the Healing Code Clinic, the first consultation we have is really important. Here we look at your overall health profile and determine what factors could be compromising your ability to conceive a baby. It's here that the traditional Chinese medic has, I believe, a significant advantage over his Western medical counterpart. Okay, it's fine if we know that there are problems such as endometriosis, ovulation problems, low sperm count, poor modality. All are things that we can treat in the clinic and work alongside the Western fertility specialist if necessary. But traditional Chinese medical training enables the practitioner to spot really very subtle signs of ill health, which might not be picked up in any medical test, but still could actually indicate something far more significant in terms of fertility. So for example, weak fingernails, dry skin, problem sleeping, muscle cramps, these might all seem pretty insignificant from a Western medical perspective, but a Chinese doctor would spot a pattern here that could have significant implications for anyone trying to have a baby. With the benefit of the information from the initial consultation, we can then produce a treatment program which addresses factors which potentially compromise your fertility. This program will almost always look at the diet, and here again Chinese medicine can differ somewhat from Western approaches. Typical Western diets focus on weight loss and are preoccupied with eliminating bad or junk food from your meals. This absolutely has merit. It's not helpful to eat unhealthy food, but frequently when it comes to fertility, the problem with diet is not down to the bad food that you are eating, it's down to the good foods that you're not eating. So Chinese dietary therapy is an important cornerstone of our treatment plan at the clinic. Another important cornerstone of our program is of course acupuncture. Recent studies in the US, Germany and Denmark have suggested that acupuncture improves IVF success rates by between 40 and 60%. This is hugely significant. So we know that acupuncture works, but there are numerous reasons given as to why it works. According to classical Chinese medical theory, we have channels of energy called meridians that run through our bodies. Just like we have a blood circulation system, we have an energy circulation system. This circulatory system can get blocked and not function as optimally as it should. According to traditional Chinese medicine, many factors can disrupt the flow of this energy, which in turn can lead to physical and emotional illnesses. This ultimately can also impinge on your fertility. The flow of this energy can be corrected by needling specific acupuncture points, which then can help to rectify the physical, emotional issue and ultimately enhances fertility. Western medical theories as to why acupuncture works can be quite varied. One theory is that needling specific points in the body can trigger the release of chemicals and hormones which influence the body's own internal regulating system. The endorphins produced by acupuncture also produce a feel-good factor which helps to reduce stress and in itself can enhance the person's own innate self-healing powers. In my opinion, this explanation isn't comprehensive enough to explain the profound benefits that results demonstrated by acupuncture treatment, particularly when it comes to fertility. The research on acupuncture and fertility is ongoing. Research supporting acupuncture has so far indicated the following benefits. improve pregnancy rates during IVF treatment cycles, increase blood flow to the uterus, leading to an improved endometrial lining, reduce stress and anxiety levels, improvement in ovulation for women with PCOS, improvement in sperm count and quality in men with infertility, regulation of hormones, which in turn could help regulate ovulation. If you have any questions regarding treatment, please call or email the clinic and we'll be happy to answer any questions. I'm Dermot O'Connor, author of the Fertility Code. Thank you for watching.